Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram action blocked error in 2026. The Instagram action blocked error is a temporary restriction placed on your account when Instagram suspects that automated bot-like behavior is done on your account. To lift the ban, you must stop all actions like liking, commenting, following, or messaging for 24 to 72 hours. You can also try switching networks between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the problem, which may bypass a potential IP ban. You can also head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and clear storage and cache of Instagram to see if that solves the problem. The other thing that you can try is head over to Instagram, tap on your profile icon, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, pull down to find help, and then tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem. Here, describe your problem and report it to Instagram as to why you think that the account ban was a mistake. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.